In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a content calendar in Monday.com step by step. If you're managing social media posts, YouTube videos, blog articles, or any kind of marketing content, having a structured content calendar will save you time, reduce stress, and keep your entire team aligned. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully functional content calendar built from scratch inside Monday.com. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software tutorials. Let's get started. First, log into your Monday.com account. Once you're inside your workspace, look at the left-hand panel and click on the plus button that says Add. From the drop-down menu, select New Board. This is where we'll build your content calendar from scratch. You'll be prompted to name your board. Type in Content Calendar so it's clear and easy to find later. Next, choose whether you want this board to be main, which means visible to your team, or private if it's just for internal planning. Most teams will choose main, but it depends on your workflow. Then select Start from Scratch so we can fully customize it ourselves. Click Create Board. Now that your board is created, let's add the essential columns you'll need for content planning. By default, Monday.com gives you a name column and a status column. You can rename the main item column to something like Content Title if you'd like. The status column is perfect for tracking progress. Click on it and customize the labels to match your workflow. For example, you can add Idea, In Progress, Scheduled, and Published. This will allow you to clearly see what stage each piece of content is in. Next, we need a Date column for published dates. Click the plus icon on the right side of your columns, choose Add Column, and select Date. Rename it to Published Date. This is what will power your calendar view later. After that, add a People column so you can assign a content owner or creator to each item. Again, click Add Column, choose People, and rename it to Owner. Now let's add a text column to specify the platform. This could be Instagram, YouTube, blog, LinkedIn, or any other channel you're publishing on. Click Add Column, choose Text, and rename it to Platform. Then add a drop-down column for content type. In this drop-down, you can create options like video, post, story, article, newsletter, or podcast. This helps you categorize your content at a glance. You can also add a Files column if you want to attach drafts, images, thumbnails, or other creative assets directly to each content item. Finally, add a Link column so you can paste the live URL once the content is published. To add any of these, simply click the plus icon, choose Add Column, and select the column type you need. Once your columns are set up, the next step is organizing your board using groups. Groups help you structure your workflow and keep everything clean. At the top of your board, you'll see a default group. You can rename it to Ideas or Backlog. Then click Add Group to create additional sections like This Month, Next Month, and Completed or Published. This makes it very easy to move content from one stage to another as your plan evolves. For example, when an idea is approved, you can drag it from Backlog into This Month. Once it's published, move it into Completed. This visual organization keeps your entire strategy clear. Now for the most important part, switching to Calendar View. At the top of your board, click on Add View. From the list of view options, choose Calendar View. Monday.com will ask you which date column you want to use. Select the Published Date column we created earlier. Once selected, your board will instantly transform into a visual calendar layout. You'll now see all your content items placed on their scheduled dates. This gives you a bird's eye view of your publishing schedule and helps you spot gaps or overlaps in your content plan. You can click on any item directly from the calendar to edit details, change statuses, assign team members, or adjust dates. This makes planning and rescheduling incredibly simple, especially if you're managing multiple platforms at once. And that's it. You've successfully created a fully functional content calendar in Monday.com from scratch. You now have structured columns, organized groups, and a visual calendar view to manage everything efficiently. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow Monday.com and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.